Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the air fryer and the COSORI air fryer toaster oven. We'll be looking at various categories to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Now let's jump into the comparison. Both the air fryer and the COSORI air fryer toaster oven have a sleek and modern design. However, the COSORI air fryer toaster oven offers a larger cooking capacity with its 26-quart, 25-liter capacity compared to the air fryer. This means you can cook more food at once, perfect for larger families or gatherings. When it comes to versatility, the COSORI air fryer toaster oven takes the lead. With over 12 functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, and toast, it offers more cooking options than the air fryer. You can explore more possibilities and save your preferred time and temperature settings. Both air fryers deliver great cooking performance, but the COSORI air fryer toaster oven offers a faster cooking experience. With 6 heat elements, a 2-speed fan, and temperatures up to 450 degrees F, it can cook up to 30% faster than a traditional convection oven. This means you can enjoy your meals in minutes. When it comes to smart features, the COSORI air fryer toaster oven takes the lead again. You can control the oven using your smartphone through the VSync app, allowing you to make meals at the touch of a button. It also offers hands-free control by connecting to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, making cooking even more convenient. Both air fryers are easy to clean, but the COSORI air fryer toaster oven offers some additional features for easy maintenance. It has an external removable crumb tray that prevents the backflow of the soup, keeping the bottom clean. The non-stick food tray is also easy to clean, saving you time and effort. And that concludes our comparison of the air fryer and the COSORI air fryer toaster oven. Both air fryers have their strengths, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a larger cooking capacity and more versatile cooking options, the COSORI air fryer toaster oven might be the better choice. However, if you're on a tight budget, the air fryer offers great value for money. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which air fryer you prefer. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.